In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, yet to fail all the same. Dread it. Run from it. Destiny still arrives.
Oh shit.
So if you have been through check, YouTube call-out racers on the list should use staging lanes 7 and 8. The lanes are open. YouTube call-out racers.
Wait, what the fuck was that? Hey, somebody should tell that Mustang driver that this is a horrible place to go to sleep. No, don't worry about it.
I was gonna bring plywood up right there, but I had to go.
That is cool. That is really neat. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, yeah, I want to jump on. I want to be able to just stop at a light and do that.
Hey, the pits is a bad place to go to sleep. So the McLaren just ran a 10.94. I expected a 10.8. So yeah, basically McLaren, that McLaren, the MP412C is basically running a 10.9, 9-ish. But I haven't seen them break much lower than that. But that Demon is supposed to be able to run 9s, if necessary, with the launch control. I think this Charger can take that McLaren down, because that McLaren, as far as I've seen, is only able to do like 10.8. It's amazing. You spend $250,000 and get beat by a goddamn Charger. But then again, this Charger guy keeps going to sleep. Let's see what happens. Yeah, 10.58. So basically that McLaren can't do better than about a 10.8 or a 10.5. He's right there. But Demonology can take that McLaren with a 9 something, as long as he's got his launch control set up. This is what we came for. This right here is exciting. This is what we came for.
So got too early. Think about physical presence. And think about always time to think about Ken Hall. And check out the souvenir stand, grab yourself a t-shirt, grab one.
The CTSV. I wanted to see the CTSV run too, but he looked like he's chilling out to the side. Perfect time to take 3 pictures right there. Boom, boom, boom. There we go.
We got 2 of them, yeah. That was a McLaren, we got 2 of them out here. Take your choice in color.
Looks like somebody hasn't practiced with their launch control yet. Uh-oh, that guy's running 9s. No, 10.48. Now, if Demonology gets him with that 9.9, it's a wrap. And he got ice on his engine and shit. It's like, all he's got to do is get him with that 9.9 and it's a wrap. Oh shit, you hear him.
Well, who's going to be in this matchup? Let's see, the Dodge on the right-hand side, the McLaren on the left lane.
Oh, what happened? certainly got off that line pretty quick. He ran a 9.85. You know what? He did that shit on purpose. He wanted to see how fast he was gonna hit. But this, yo, that's his fastest time of the day, is 9.85. And this McLaren is only a 10? Please. That's it. That's a wrap. Okay, all I need is one good race. I'm out of here.
Hey, get it cooled off, Mike, and come get me. Oh, you ready now? Huh? Hey, let me look at these tires. No, go ahead. I want to see this right quick. Just show me one second.
Mike, can I give it a kiss?
I'll go up there and park and give it a kiss. Go ahead.
Did they yell at you for not having a jacket?
Yeah, I ran a 10-0 that day.
No, I was behind. I'm watching.
With all 6 stones, I could simply snap my fingers. They would all cease to exist. I call that mercy. The hardest choices require the strongest wills. You have my respect, Stark. When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive. I hope they remember you.
Come on. Look, we're gonna make this good. We're gonna make Fiat Chrysler great again. Let's go. It's time to wrap this up, baby. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's wrap this up. It's time to smoke that ass. This McLaren 10s versus the Demon. It's time to smoke that booty. That juicy green booty. It's time to smoke it, snatch that soul, and drag it straight to the altar of FCA. That's what I've come for. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Sunday. God. Yeah, you see, you kind of don't want to line up against cars like that. Any car that's like that, you don't want to do it. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to zoom out for this shit. Let's go take him down. Snatch that soul.
Speed in lane 1 and here at 120 Demonology over there, right hand side.
Snatch that soul, baby. Ooh, 10:05, 10:35 for the McLaren. Well, you just got your soul snatched. I tell you, someday these luxury car manufacturers will realize that just putting more letters into the name doesn't make it faster. Sometimes you just call it a demon, and that's all you need.
Right, street speed racer on the right hand side. Is that another McLaren here in the left lane? Oh, we got another one here in the left lane, just a little different style. All right. Street speed racer on the line. Right lane, 1048.
10.48 versus 10.64. That's the best it's really done, is in the mid-10s. 10 somethings. Well, yeah, I guess that's about it for today, guys. I don't really see anything much exciting else after that. Demonology takes it all. Demonology is the fastest car here today. And it's funny because the majority of these people who came for the shout out, they came to see Street Speed.
STREETSPEED717.
Yeah. I think he's faster than the Mustang, though.
STREETSPEED717.
A little bit, by a little bit, like half a second. Yeah, I figured he's faster, but it's amazing when you think about it. that as fast, he's running 10.16, but he cannot beat that demon. Like, that's amazing when you think about it. 9.8, it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Cannot beat that demon. Yeah. Mopar. Look at this. This is the altar where the souls have to be laid. Right here, this is the altar.
Speed 717.
10:18 versus 11 seconds. You ain't touching that demon, sorry guys. Once you tighten down that launch control, them McLarens get eaten. Get their soul snatched. Snatch his soul. Oh, what the? Well, what did he run? 10.0? 10.35, yeah. So I wish they had ran side by side, but the Demon was at 10.01 and the McLaren as fast as it's still in the mid 10s. I mean, oh well. Okay, so we got the McLaren 10s versus the Dodge Demon in gray. One more time. Those demons are no joke, man.
Well, looks like we're gonna try a rematch here.
Yeah, let's actually both take off at the same goddamn time, please. Come on.
Get that McLaren off the starting line a little bit quicker than you did last
The
time.
majority of these foreign import supercars, these things aren't doing better in that quarter than 10.5 typically. You know? You try that shit against a Tesla, you're gonna lose.
Stage up, ready to go. Dodge to the right-hand side.
Uh-oh, that demon jumped. Whoa! Soul snatch! You got gapped! You got gapped, McLaren. How about that gap? 10:07, 10:07, and 10:43. You got your ass gapped. You got gapped. That's right. Gapping people out here. Don't get no goddamn manual to race this day and age. You gotta have automatic, guys. The computers just do it better than you. It's a computer thing. I want my computer doing the work. I want my right hand to be on my soda, on my cell phone, or on my chick's leg. I don't have no time to be shifting gears. That's bullshit. Those transmissions, the transmission in my Hellcat, my Jeep, that transmission, you put that carbon fiber drive shaft on that thing, you can run that thing 1,500 pound-feet of torque. I ain't got no time for no goddamn manual. I ain't got no time for that. You lose too much time. It's not worth it. Automatic. Automatic. You better call up Dodge, see what they got for you. Stop messing with these McLarens, you keep losing. Snatch his soul, goddammit. Snatch his soul. Look at that thing. Look at that demon. Look at that demon. Woo! Gap that ass. Gap him. Snatch that soul. Snatch his soul. 10:13 versus 10:25. Snatch his soul. That's right. Snatch that soul, baby. Bring that soul to the altar of Mopar. Got so many souls to snatch and soul at a time. And that CTSV is not fucking around. That thing's 10.65. 10.65 versus that silly little foreign car. 16.21. Why are you even here?
Here's.
They're not for him. I ignored my destiny once. I cannot do that again. Even for you. I'm sorry, little one. snap my fingers, they would all cease to exist. I call that mercy. The hardest choices require the strongest wills. You have my respect, Stark. When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive. I hope they remember you. I understand my child better than anyone.
You could never.
Today I lost more than you can know. You should have gone for the head.
Did you do it?
Yes.
What did it cost?
Everything.